Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that reads Windows needs your current credentials. Please lock this computer, then unlock it using your most recent password or smart card. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung gpedit.msc, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So once na-open mo na tong local group policy editor, and next step, so under dito sa local computer policy, and then dito sa computer configurations ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung administrative templates. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And dito sa administrative templates, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung system. So i-click mo ulit yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And dito sa system ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung log on. Okay? So once nakita mo na dito yung log on, so ang gagawin mo is one time click. So click mo lang yan, at dito sa right side makikita mo na dito yung kanyang settings. And next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung always wait for the network at computer start up and log on. So ang gagawin natin, so select and double click, and pop up itong kanyang settings. So dapat ay select mo lang dito yung not configured. Okay, so click mo lang tong not configured, and dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apply, and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, and then next step, so kailangan lang natin itong mag-close, at dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows needs your current credentials error on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.